this is me, your teacher, Erica. Have a nice day. And just keep safe around, okay? Just stay at home. Okay, so today we will talk about time. Everybody read? Time. Okay. So, but before we proceed, let's have this word, okay? Our vocabulary for today. So, we have here morning. Okay, morning, and the abbreviation of morning is AM. Everybody say AM. Okay, again, AM for morning. Alright, next. Evening. Evening. Okay, the abbreviation for evening is, okay, PM. PM is about, or it refers to evening or afternoon. Okay? Again, evening or afternoon, PM. Alright, next. We have here noon. Noon is the middle of the day. Okay, so NN stands for noon. Next, we have here midnight. Midnight means middle of the night. Midnight, middle of the night. So MN stands for midnight. Okay? So next, I have here a clock presentation. So as you can see here, it divides by two parts. So this part is the daytime, and then this part is the nighttime. Okay, so let's discuss this further. Okay, next. So let's have this part of the clock. Okay, again, this is a clock. So the shorthand, it refers to hours. Okay, let's say 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, and then we have here the long hand. So it refers to minutes. Okay, and then these two hands, okay, turn around the clock in a clockwise way. Alright, so from here, turn here. Okay, so minutes, this long hand again is 4 minutes. So from here, let's say 12. From here, okay, always starts with 0 to here, it's 5 minutes. So let's count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes. Okay, next, from here to here, another 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes. So how many minutes do we have so far from here to here? It's 10 minutes. So in short, every number here that we have, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12, okay, just count it by 5. Let's say 1. So it's 5 minutes, next. 10 minutes, next. 15 minutes, next. 4 minutes, 20 minutes, next. 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, and then 55 minutes, and in the last one, 60 minutes. Okay? So 1 hour, 1 turn. Okay, it's 60 minutes. Okay? So this is our, okay, the topic that we have last time. Okay, so just a quick review about the clock. Alright? So, I have here 2 clocks. Okay? I will introduce to you today, okay, the part of the topic about time. 12-hour time. So, what is this about? Okay, but before that, Okay, this part of the clock is for morning. Okay, as you can see here, the sun is rising, right? Okay, so it's morning. And then this second clock is for evening because 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 yaw ano mo ni ko nung cut because the clock is okay, this part of the clock is for evening because the sun is setting. Okay, as you can see here. Alright, next. So this part is morning. We have 1 o'clock a.m. Again, as you can remember, a.m. stands for morning. Yeah. Next, 2 o'clock a.m., 3 o'clock a.m., 4 o'clock a.m., 5 o'clock a.m., or you can just say 5 a.m. Then 6 o'clock a.m., 7 o'clock a.m., 8 o'clock a.m., 9 o'clock a.m., 10 o'clock a.m., 11 o'clock a.m., and then 12 noon. Okay? NN stands for noon, meaning middle of the day. Alright? So, this is morning, the morning part. Okay, next, evening. So, after this 12 noon, okay, next, it turn around again along this part of the clock. So, after 12 noon, it's already 1 p.m. So, again, as you can remember, as I've said earlier, p.m. stands for either afternoon or evening, right? So, 1 o'clock p.m., 2 o'clock p.m., 3 o'clock p.m., 4 o'clock p.m., 5 o'clock p.m., 6 o'clock p.m., 7 o'clock p.m., 8 o'clock p.m., 9 o'clock p.m., 10 o'clock p.m., and then we have here 11 o'clock p.m. And then, so it's the middle of the night. So 12 midnight. Okay? MN stands for midnight. Okay, so it's 12 midnight already. So this is about a 12-hour time, which means you will read or you will write the time based on a 12 basis. So right after the 12 here, you will write again 1. As you can see here, right? From morning to afternoon or evening. Alright, so it's just the same number. It's just that you just need to change these 2 letters, okay, which we have here AM and then PM, right? So you will know by writing this one AM or PM, you will know if it's morning or afternoon or evening, right? So this is about on how to write the 12-hour time. Next, we have here, I will introduce to you the 24-hour time. Okay, so this will be look like, okay, from here, okay, after the 12 noon, after the 12 middle of the day, instead of 1 o'clock p.m., you will write 13. It's just like 12 noon, and then just add 1 hour, right? Because it's another 1 hour. So just 12, and then add 1. So 13, we have here 13. And then this time, you don't need to write AM. In 24-hour time, you don't need to write neither AM nor PM, because, okay, because 13, it's already refer to afternoon or evening, okay? And then, so in 2 o'clock, we have 1400 hour. Next, 1500 hour. Next, what do you think here in 4 o'clock afternoon? What do you think? What's the number or the time in 24-hour time? It's 16. All right, just add 1 hour. Okay, 1600 hour. Next, for 5 p.m., it's 1700 hour. All right. Next, for 6 p.m., it's 1800 hour. Next, for 7 p.m., we have here 1900 hour. All right. What do you think is the next? I guess you got it right. All right, so it's 2000 hour. All right. How about that? How about this one? For 9 p.m. What do you think? It's 2100 hour. How about for 10? Just add 1 hour from here. Okay, from 9 o'clock or from 2100 time. So it's 2200 hour. Alright, next. 2300 hour, and then 2400 hours. So it's 24 hours. Understand? Alright. Bastos.
Okay, yung bawas ko siya matulog.
Wala ko yan. I-bloopers ko ni pala. Charla.
Ang bangin na ito mo kasi matulog ganda. Wala ko kaya saya.
Okay, it's 24 hours. Okay? Bun ko record ako, please. Yan, ako ni karong cut. Okay, so that is 24. Kalinit. Ayun na, bukada.
Wala. Manima.
Urat mo yan naman maguragong ka lang.
Kumato ko daw.
Wala yan lang.
Ano mapura?
Pwede ba yun? Pati mo, makakadlaw ko yung Japon niya.
Ano mapura?
Dumotor.
Ay,
Che, pay gagawin mo, che. Ikaw lang.
Oh! Wait, bakit na ako? Huwag ka ba talaga ba yan?
Wala kaya!
Ayaw na lang. Gat ko.
Kapuro-puro ka, di ba ito?
Wala ko. Wala. Bibigyan siya.
Hindi na lang. Ninong-ninong pala.
Pagurag. Nagtulog kayo kumigat at
Di ba mo lang ako kagina? Ako malinaw na to. Pero siguro yung matulog ka niya. Piyo, gini.
mga boss.
Pong?
Kita mo, at kagay kagina mo. Piyo-piyo siya matulog sa ay. Murag ko na sa karoon.
Wala.
Malagi ko na sana.
Wala ka ba lang kasi nalugan?
Pero ano sa CR ka na?
Doon na kwarto sa kanya. Ang liit.
O, dito pala yun. Alam mo dapat.
Liit.
O, dito ulit. Pwede ko lang ba to?
Ako man siya, punta pa babawad na lumura. Punta ko lang siya.
Takilid ka pala?
Narinig ka na.
Tapos nakilid.
Hulo yan. Hindi ko naman post sa YouTube sa rampa ni ano.
Takilid ka.
Itag mo lang si...
Hindi. Takilid ka. Kipunta yung baba.
Putangan man sa baba.
Close.
Saban, dali lang
I-close
yun
mo
ba?
ba? Baka hindi ka magulag ko.
It's
Ala,
close
okay lang
naman
lawig na
na.
eh.
Oo, matulog ako.
Okay, so that is about 24-hour time.
Ayun.
Wala na nakabo.
Wala lang nila po.
Ay, ah!
Bulan eh.
Dali lang yun gululuan ako. Okay, so that is about 24-hour time. Alright, understand? So that is the difference between the 12-hour time, reading in 12-hour time, and reading in 24-hour time. So again, in 12-hour time, you're going to use AM for morning, PM for afternoon or evening, alright? Because you'll never know. Let's say if you just write there 1 o'clock, and then you do not write. You did not write the AM or PM, then you will not know if it's morning or evening or afternoon, right? Okay, so that's why it is very important that you're going to write in 12-hour time. Again, you're going to write AM or PM. Okay, to know the difference of the time, if it's morning or afternoon or evening. In 24-hour time, you don't need to write. It's because the 13 already stands for afternoon. Alright? And then up to here. Okay? So when I say it's already 2200 time, so you will know it's 10 o'clock p.m. Understand? Alright. So to sum it up, to convert, okay, let's convert in 12-hour time to 24-hour time, or vice versa, 24-hour time to 12-hour time. Okay, so in 12-hour time to 24-hour time, just add 12. Always add 12. Alright, let's say 1 o'clock p.m. So to convert it, to change it to 24-hour time, just add 12. So 12 plus 1. Example, I have your example. Okay, 1 o'clock p.m. plus 1. So it's like 1 plus 12. Okay, 1 plus 12 equals 13, right? So it's 1300 hour. It means it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 1 o'clock p.m. Understand? So from 12-hour time to 24-hour time, just add 12. Next, how about if from 24-hour time to 12-hour time? So opposite of add is minus. Opposite of addition is subtraction. So just minus 12. Let's say from 24-hour time, we have here 1300 hour. So how are you going to know this to 12-hour time? Just minus 12. Okay? Alright. So it's like 12. Just minus or subtract from 12. So 12. Okay, minus. Hala, sala. Tsaka, lahiya. Okay, 13. It's equals to 12. Sakto. 13 minus 12. Bastos. 13 minus 12. Diba, tungkol na lang din niya. Sabad ah. Okay, so that is about 24-hour time, alright? So again, in 12-hour time, okay, you just need to write this number without changing it. Like 1 is already 1. But if you just refer to morning, again, you will write AM. So 1 o'clock a.m. If it's afternoon, or you're talking about evening, you just write p.m. to know the time. Okay, which one? Daytime or nighttime, right? So that is for 12-hour time. That's the time that you're going to use. You are going to use AM or PM. Okay, to know the difference. In 12-hour time, you don't have to write AM or PM because if it's 1 PM, let's say if it's 1 AM, so just write 1 o'clock. Alright, 1 o'clock AM. But if it's 1 o'clock PM in the afternoon, just write 13 instead of 1. Understand? That is for 24-hour time base. Alright? So, actually, to sum it up, if it's from 12-hour time to 24-hour time, from here to here, how to convert? Just add 12. As you have noticed, this one, these numbers, okay, it came from adding 12 from this number or from this time. You just add 12-hour time, alright? So, for example, I have here, okay, 1 o'clock. Let's say this one, 1 o'clock. To convert it to 24-hour time, just add 12. Okay, 1 o'clock or 1 plus 12 equals 13. So we have now 1300 time. Alright? Understand? Again, from 12-hour time to 24-hour time. 12-hour time to 24-hour time, just add 12 plus 12. Alright? What if from 24-hour time to 12-hour time? So opposite of add is minus or subtraction. Opposite of addition. So from 24-hour time to 12-hour time, minus 12. Let's say, I have your example. So from 1300 time, 13. Okay, it's like 1300. Alright? Minus 12. Minus 12 equals 1 o'clock. And then PM. Okay, because 13 it is about afternoon. So just write PM. Understand? Alright, so you just need to practice more or just replay. Okay, keep playing or on repeat this video so that you will understand it if you need to refresh about this topic, because in later time you're going to answer for your worksheets about this topic. Alright, so just keep playing this video so that you can understand it more. Alright, so that is about the 12-hour time and the 24-hour time. Okay? So I have here just a quick exercise. This one exercise. So I have here a clock, alright? And then this one, the baby cute. Alright, so the shorthand, it pointed here at 2. And then this long hand is 12. So, okay. So now, you're going to answer me. In 12-hour time, it's morning. I'm talking about morning. So, how are you going to write the time? Based from this clock. 12-hour time, morning. So, it's morning. What letter? What the abbreviation for morning? AM, right? Okay, so 2 o'clock. Okay, 2 o'clock AM. This one. Very good. Again, it's 12-hour time. This one is 24-hour time. So let's answer this later. Let's go here first. Okay, 12-hour time morning, 2 o'clock AM. Next, what about if I'm talking about afternoon? Afternoon. So you're going to write, instead of AM, you're going to write PM. So it's just the same, 2, but you're going to change this from A to P. So 2 o'clock p.m. Understand? What about if it's 24-hour time basis? So if I'm talking about morning, so it's just the same, okay? Just 2 o'clock a.m. or 2 o'clock, alright? Just the same. What if afternoon? So that's the time I'm going to write. Instead of 2, it's 1400 time. 1400 time, it talks about the afternoon time, alright? So as you have noticed, from 2, I just add 12. So 12 plus 2 or 2 plus 12, it's 14. Understand? So that is about 24-hour time and 12-hour time. I hope that you enjoy our lesson for today. So just keep or just keep playing this video if you want to refresh this topic. All right, to review in the future. All right. So again, this is me, your teacher Erica. I hope you